Well, that's a allegation, but there's no substance in it. Whatever we have done, the government of India has done on the direction of the Supreme Court. Even the steps to be taken, the Supreme Court laid it down. So we have followed the letter of the law as laid down by the Supreme Court to the comma and full stop, and we have done now duty. Now only for, out of that 3.39 or whatever is the number of million people, only 40 lakhs did not have any documentation by which they can claim to be have any right to citizenship. And I think this is a very well done job and extremely well executed according to the Supreme Court demand. And we have to be very strict. You see, we cannot allow India to become a Dharamshala for everybody to come with their chatai and put it down and go to sleep here. We have partitioned our country so that people can live in other countries. So Pakistan was created only because the British wanted the Muslims to be given a homeland, which we gave. Now those Muslims who wanted to stay in India, they're all right. We said you're welcome, and the constitution you have equal rights. Even if in Muslim countries other minorities don't have equal rights. Now to suddenly say that every Muslim who comes illegally into our country has to be given citizenship, that is, sorry, we don't agree.